If you want your ElevenLabs voiceovers to sound clean, natural, and perfect for YouTube, then the settings you choose matter a lot more than most people realize. In this video, I'm going to show you the best ElevenLabs voice settings for YouTube videos, and I'll break down exactly what each setting does so you can get better results faster. If this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open ElevenLabs and load the voice you want to use for your YouTube content. Whether you're making tutorials, faceless videos, explainers, or commentary, the goal is always the same. You want the voice to sound human, clear, and consistent without sounding too stiff or overly dramatic. The first setting you want to adjust is stability. For YouTube videos, a good range is between 30% and 45%. This gives you the balance you want. It's low enough to allow natural pauses, small breaths, and a little emotional range, but still high enough to keep the voice from sounding chaotic, frantic, or robotic. If stability is too low, the voice can become unpredictable and inconsistent. If it's too high, it can sound flat and lifeless. So for most YouTube content, staying in that 30 to 45% range is a great starting point. Next, move to Similarity. For best results, set Similarity somewhere between 70 and 85%. This helps keep the voice sounding like the character or voice style you chose, while still maintaining strong vocal quality. If you push Similarity too low, the voice may drift too far away from the original character. If you push it too high, sometimes it can introduce awkward artifacts or make the delivery feel less polished. So a strong middle to high setting is usually the sweet spot for YouTube voiceovers. After that, look at style exaggeration. For YouTube videos, keep this very low, between 0% and 10%. This is one of the most important settings to control, because too much exaggeration can make the AI overact. Instead of sounding natural, it may start sounding dramatic, forced, or even like a used car salesman trying to sell you something. For clean YouTube narration, you usually want clarity and confidence, not overperformance. So keeping style exaggeration low will help your voice stay smooth and professional. Now let's talk about speaker boost. For this setup, I recommend turning speaker boost off. While it may sound useful, it often increases computational load and latency, and the quality difference is usually very small or even negligible for most YouTube videos. If your goal is to produce voiceovers efficiently and keep the workflow simple, leaving speaker boost off is the better choice. It helps keep things faster and more practical, especially if you're generating a lot of content. So, if we put it all together, the best ElevenLabs voice settings for most YouTube videos are stability at 30 to 45%, similarity at 70 to 85%, style exaggeration at 0 to 10%, and speaker boost turned off. That combination gives you a voice that feels natural, steady, and professional without sounding too robotic or too dramatic. A quick pro tip: always test your settings with a short sample first before generating your full script. Even small adjustments can make a big difference depending on the voice and the type of content you're creating. If your channel is more educational, stay on the lower end of exaggeration. If your content is a little more energetic, you can raise stability slightly lower within the safe range, but don't overdo it. The best results usually come from small refinements, not extreme changes. And that's it. Now you know the best ElevenLabs voice settings for YouTube videos. Try these settings on your next script and you should notice a big improvement in how natural and usable the voice sounds. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials, tips, and creator workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.